Hey everyone, welcome back to my STL playlist, and in today's video we will try to see how I make my code more readable. And today we'll focus on seeing how to make it more readable when we have to declare large constants in C++. So if you are solving questions, you would see that in lot of questions you would have to first compute the answer, and then since the answer will be very large, you would be asked to take a mod with a large number like 10 to the power 9 plus 7 and then return the answer. So something like this, let's say this is my answer, solve, and then I have to print cout c percentage c modulus 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You have to print the answer like this. So we can do something with this, int mod equals this, and then 3% more. See, this way is fine and no problem at all, but then what happens is that sometimes uh, you forgot to have exactly the same number of zeros, or you add in an extra zeros, or you miss a zero. So instead what we can write models, like we can do the same thing as 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So these two notations are equivalent. This 1e9 basically means that 1 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, so let's try to print this. Print this mod. Yes, you can see that it is printing 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Now imagine if you have to take a large constant, it looks like this. 3 followed by 4 zeros. Then also we can do something like this. What we can do is we can use int c1 equals 3e4. So this notation, as I already told you, this means 1 into 10 to the power 9. This notation means 1 into 10 to the power 4. So let's try to print this. Okay, what happened? Okay, it's an end of line, and let me compile it again. Okay, let's run this, and yeah, as you can see that it is 3 into 10 to the power 4. Now let's try to do something different. So if you are writing in code, even if you are solving problem, there will be a lot of time where you deal with powers of 2. So let's say if I have to print the power of 2 to the power 5, so instead of calculating 2 to the power 5, I can just write p equals 1 backshift left shift operator 5. So what this will do is it will raise this 2 to the power 5. We will print this and see. So 2 to the power 5 is 32, and we can see that this is printing. So these are things are very handy because you'll be writing a lot more cleaner code instead of calculating it, googling it up what 2 to the power 5 is actually is. Now you are able to see, because you know that 2 to the power 5 is 32, but if it was 2 to the power 14 or some large number, you would have to google or calculate it by yourself. So why take the trouble? Instead you can just use this trick. Another thing which can improve readability is, let's try to. So this feature was introduced in C++ 14 actually, and let's say if your number like, let's say if your number like this, and how are you going to represent? Because these numbers are very large, it's a little difficult to read, so you can provide apostrophe in between. So 2238 742 234 and 234. Now you see that this let me just now if you see reading C, like reading A and reading C, you can see for yourself, like reading which one of them is easier. In fact, you can like see like, oh, 238 742 234 234. Here reading it is a little difficult. So yes, let's try to compile this. Okay, I did not print. So yeah, let's since it was integer, it was throwing an error. Let's try to compile this again. Exponents, and yeah, let's run this now. Oh, again I forgot to print. Anyway, let's print C. Yeah, as you can see, it's printing the same thing. So now I will show you that it is a C++ 14 feature and not, and if you have an older version of C++ installed, then maybe it's time to grade. I mean, let's and also let's see how do we compile with a specific version of C++. So let's see if I have to compile with C++ 11. Yeah, you can see that it does not compile because it is C++ 11, and let's now compile it with C++ 14. Yes, so now it got compiled. Let's do a see out again, and you can see the answer. In fact, if you see compile it with any further version like C++ 17, then also you'll get the answer. So new versions are released almost every 3 years, like 11, 14, 17, 20, and then 2023. So yes, I hope this was helpful to you guys in some ways, and I hope you would apply this whatever you have learned today. Okay, goodbye, take care. I'll upload this to the HTL playlist. Okay, bye.